Greetings and Assalamu alaikum, everybody. This short clip that you are listening to now is by the author of Secrets of Divine Love. Her name is A. Halwa, and I am bringing my interview with her starting next week on Wednesday. I hope you will tune in to Light Up with Shua podcast. You can listen or watch this podcast on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and all the other platforms. So I hope you can join in and listen to our amazing conversation. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. My name is A. Halwa. I recently wrote a book titled Secrets of Divine Love, A Spiritual Journey into the Heart of Islam. I run the page on Instagram titled at Quran Quotes Daily. And I'm delighted to be on this podcast, mostly to talk about God consciousness and just to connect in regards with faith and approaching the divine from a place of love, which has been my passion for about the past decade.